Okay, this is question 10.2, the last geometry questions. And what do they ask us to do? They ask us to prove that AD over AR equals AS over AC. Well, there's two things this could be. It could be similarity or it could be proportionality. But since we've just been working with angles, it's most likely similarity. Maybe you could do this another way, but I think it's most likely similarity. Now, they're talking about AS and AD. I'm thinking this triangle, AS and AD, it makes this ASD, this little triangle. I put a red line on it to see that triangle. And then they're talking about AR and AC. Well, that looks like the big blue triangle. Well, if we could prove that those were similar, we would be on our way to getting this ratio. Well, can we do that? Well, let's try. Well, for starters, this little red triangle, ASD, and the big triangle, ACR, they share this angle A here. It's common, so there's one problem out of the way. And you often use something from the last question, and we're no different here. Do you know that T2 must equal C2 because that is this angle here to here, that is an alternate angle. So T2 equals C2 because of alternate angles, because AC is parallel to SQ. Well, if T2 equals C2, and we know that S1 equals T1, then we know that S1 must be equal to C2 because they're all the same. We proved that S1 is equal to T2 before. Well, now if we've matched up S1 and C2, then we've just proven we've got two angles the same in the little triangle ASD and the big triangle ACR. We have two angles the same, which means because of angles sum at a triangle, the three angles must be the same. So we got the triangle ASD is similar to triangle ASR. It means their angles all match up. And if their angles match up, it means their sides are proportional. And you can take this side, AD, and it goes with the side AR. And the side AS goes with the side AC. In fact, that's exactly right. You can make those fractions because the triangles are similar. And there is that one done. The next question is a little bit harder. I think it hurt my head for a little bit, but I figured it out. Okay.